Hello and welcome to another update video on Link. I only want to focus here on the shorter time frame. In yesterday's video on Link, and you can find it here on the channel, I also covered quite extensively the larger time frame. So if you're interested in the bigger picture, daily time frame, then yeah, check that out. It was only made like less than 24 hours ago, I believe. So yeah, the update is still very much relevant. But we have a bit of a pullback today, which again is not much of a surprise if you saw my last update late yesterday about Bitcoin dominance, that we are likely starting a bit of a bounce there. So with Bitcoin holding and altcoins pulling back, it's clear Bitcoin dominance is going up a bit. So that's just the explanation. Link is currently in a move to the upside that we would call an impulse, best I can tell, especially here from the 22nd of June low. We're dealing with an upside impulse, and in a third wave to the upside here, we have a very full wave count. That means the move to the upside could technically be complete in this larger degree third wave, and then the fourth wave might be unfolding right now. It's just the main impulse support. So this is the support level that needs to hold to keep the upside impulse alive. It's the 50% retracement level there on the chart, and it's described as main impulse support. And it's at $16, no, $16.08. Don't be so focused on the cents. That's not so important because you have minor differences anyway across different exchanges. So it doesn't make sense to try to be too precise, not in a highly volatile sector. You might want to give them a bit more space. But overall, what we don't want to see is a decisive break below that 50% retracement level. Well, if we get that decisive break, then it will be a clear signal that the bears are taking the lead, at least in the short term. In the very short term, though, we would really like to see that fourth wave hold the $16.08 level. I mean, maybe not even get a pullback of that degree, $16.98 and $18.18 are the next support levels above. That might lead to a reaction. So there are three main levels in this main support area that we are observing and tracking, right? Now, I have to say any break below $16.08 would be a strong indication that, the bears are starting to take the lead and the upside impulse is breaking. Now, in the very short term, it is interesting, even though the wave count to the upside is technically visually complete, that does not mean that the structure is really complete. It's just that we can label everything we need to label to call this move up complete. And now we're basically driving on site. That's why I gave you yesterday already and a few days ago this micro support area there. It's, do I need to change it? Oh, I have to adjust it slightly, yes. It's currently here between 18.76. We're currently testing that, and $19.53. So that is upper micro support. We've already tested the 50% retracement level there, as you can see, at $18.76. And why is this important? Because as long as we are holding above that level, we might even see another direct upside extension. But honestly, with a break below the swing low here that formed on Monday and a slight break below the 50% retracement level, it does look as if the larger degree fourth wave has already started. It's too early to confirm because we don't have a decisive break below $18.76, but I'd be ready for that broader wave 4. If that actually unfolds, that broader wave 4, then as I said, the impulse support needs to hold. Until then, actually, we could even extend higher more directly, as per this upper micro support area, because we're holding it. Now, can we draw a trend line maybe? Yeah, you can see that we even broke below the trend line there. So that's an indication maybe as well, that the larger pullback has begun. But it's not meaningful really until we break below $16.08. So overall, upside is still preferred. We're still watching for higher prices. $21.85 to $22.64 are the next micro upside targets, but they might not be reached until we get a bit of a pullback. For larger time frame targets, feel free to check out yesterday's video. That's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And also make sure you check out our membership if you want to see more updates. As a channel member, you can get access to a lot of different benefits, like our member live stream every Sunday. Last Sunday, we covered like 40 live charts or 40 charts live. You also get access to member-only videos. Yesterday, covered Gala and Polygon if you're interested. You also get access to our Discord server as a gold member. And there are a lot of different updates, intraday updates, live charts for more than 100 coins, and much more. Just a general warning about scammers these days. I need to put that in, put it at the end, but people who are interested are still listening. So it's just a warning that scammers are around, everywhere, even on Discord. So we will never send you a direct message on social media or Discord. We will never ask you for funds, to invest for you or put into a copy trading platform or anything. So it's only the membership fee, if you want to join as a member, but we will never ask you for funds or anything, right? There is no shortcut to riches, right? So these are scammers, impersonators. Please, please, please listen to the scam warnings, especially now that the market is pushing to new highs across the sector, right? Scammers are more and more active, so I have to warn. And yeah, thanks so much. Wish you a great day. Bye-bye.